I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum. Hello and happy Foodie Friday to you. It is the first day of summer and the weather is beautiful. And I am introducing to you frittata. What is frittata, you say? Frittata is basically a quiche that is without a crust. And it's also one of those very easy, versatile recipes that you can use your own favorite things at the time, or you can just dig stuff out of the fridge and use that, whatever you have on hand. Today's recipe, I am using diced ham and a frozen vegetable mix that has broccoli and asparagus and carrots and mushrooms and all that kind of thing in it. Sometimes I'll use bacon, sometimes I'll use sausage. And I just change up the vegetables with whatever I have on hand at the time. But it's also very good no matter which you do. And since we are still, trying to limit our grain intake when it comes to like the wheats and flours and stuff like that, that I don't use the crust. So it is a very simple thing to do, and I hope you enjoy it.